So what is strings? So strings is nothing but a group of characters or collection of characters. For example, hello is a string of 5 characters. So in Java, string is an immutable class. It's a class, but non-primitive data type has a classes, right? So it comes under non-primitive data type, but it's a class. So that's why yes, we are writing in cap letter. It's available in java.lang package. And string class implements a serializable, comparable, and char sequence interfaces. Char sequence interfaces. And so what is mutable strings means? Mutable string means it is not going to be modified. So it's not going to be changed. So if you try to change any string, a new object is created, a new instance is created in the memory. A new instance is created. That's why strings are immutable. Basically, you can say strings are constants. You cannot change them. If you try to change, no problem. It will create a new string. New memory will create. New object will be created in the heap memory. There is a special memory will be there for strings also. Heap inside, we have a special memory called string constant pool. So that memory, but what data will store there, and we'll see one by one. So this is the string implementation. So string will implement all these interfaces. So that I already told, a class implements interfaces. A class can implement multiple interfaces. What I told. So char sequence interface, the char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of characters. Sequence of characters. Like string, string buffer, string builder classes are also used to create the strings. So we can create using these 3 classes also. You can use string class, string buffer class, string builder classes. And char sequence interface is implemented by all these 3 classes. See, string class implements char sequence interface. String buffer also implements char sequence interface. String builder class also implements char sequence interface. Then how to create a strings? You can create the strings in 2 ways. One is string literal, or by using a new keyword. 2 ways you can create a string object. One is using string literal, and another one is using new keyword, because you can use the new keyword to create object for any class, right? Even string class also. So another one, you can create object using new keyword. That's a string literal and new keyword purpose. So, and what is string literal? So Java string literal is used to create by using a double quotes. So double quotes inside. So whatever you place that is called string literal. That's how you can say it is a string literal. So this string literal, so each time you write string class reference object equal to, within double quotes, the string value if you write, that is called string literal. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool memory inside. This value is present or not. If this value is present or already exists in the string constant pool memory, then it won't create one more. So reference to the pooled instance is returned. So this reference will be returned to this variable. That's it. If the string doesn't exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed inside the string constant. This is the string constant pool, which is inside the heap memory. If 2 objects, for example, 2 references are having same value, welcome and welcome. So now what will happen? These 2 references will point to same memory. See now here, S1 and S2, two are having same value. These are pointing to same value. These are pointing to same value. That's the S1 and S2, how you can refer it. So that's the main concept. Okay. Okay. So that's the string constant pool and heap memory area. So the string constant pool is only for string literals. So what is mean by string literal? If you enclose the value in double quotes, that's called string literal. Okay. So why Java uses concept of string literal? To make Java more memory efficient, so you are using string literal concept. So when there is no new objects are created, if it already exists in the string constant pool memory. So another one is by using new keyword also you can create a string object. So string str object equal to new string Java. See now, can you observe here? So with this new keyword, it will create a two objects, but with the string literal, only one object will create in the string constant pool. But with the new keyword, there will be two objects. New string is one, which will store in the heap memory. And double quotes inside one, this is the literal, right? The literal will go and store in the constant pool. So there are two objects is creating with the new keyword. So that's why many people doesn't prefer this, because you are wasting memory. Unnecessary, right? So you can create with a literal also object. You can create with a new keyword also, but a new keyword is creating two places the memories. It's a waste of memory. That's why most of the people won't use this. Always people prefer string literal concept only. So what is string literal concept? String, that reference variable equal to within double quotes value. That's a string literal concept. Any questions there? So which one is more efficient? Why people will use string literal? So because here unnecessary two objects are creating. One is new string will go and store in the normal heap memory, and the literal will store in the, this Java will store in the constant pool. That means two objects are creating. So always people will prefer string literal only to create object for the class, for a string class, basically. So what is string literal and string constant pool? So I already mentioned string literal means any value if you enclose in double quotes. That's a string literal. So where string literal will store? In the string constant pool memory. That's a special memory for string literals only. So string literal and the constant pool will be in the heap memory inside a special memory. That special memory will be created. So that's the string literal and string constant pool means. So what is the difference between string literal and the string object? See, this is the heap memory. And this one, the green color one, is a string constant pool. See, when you create object for S3 and S4 with the same value, and that will be referred same memory. That means S4 also has the same memory. S3 also has the same memory, it will refer. But when you create with a new keyword, string S1 equal to new string of Java, string S2 equal to new string of Java, this memory is different, this memory is different. That means S1 memory is different, S2 memory is different. S1 memory is different, S2 memory is different. That's how you need to catch these main important interview questions, these two are. Now, when you compare, this memory is different, this memory is different. Again, if you compare S1 with S4 and S3, both are different because this is another memory and this is another memory. If you compare S1 and S2, these two are also different, not same. But when you compare S3 equal to S4, these two are same because S3 and S4 referring to same memory. Is this clear? On this, there are a lot of interview questions. So in the interviews, they will ask all these questions. See, I have given examples here. String A equal to Java. String B equal to Java. So then system.out.println A double equal to B. So now, what is the value? So now, both are referring to same value. This is called string literal. Now A double equal to B means, so A value and B value, B memory address, A value memory address, both are same or not. You are comparing with a double equal to. So what double equal to will do? Double equal to when you will use?
You want to compare
the value.
Compare numbers.
Value.
Numbers it will be used to compare. So that's what we are doing here. Okay.